of a year, March 2022. Yes, another refreshing Tuesday afternoon. Looking at the way the atmosphere is being fired up. Akwaaba. Baby, I will be a taxi driver, truck driver. And the Ghana Jirokono. And then so, yeah, man Penny, His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, the first gentleman of the state. And then I order. Abusia, a lot is about to happen on your radio. It's only a net Ghana, Nigeria, return leg near Basu Abuja, and then Abusia said by 4 p.m. per message media. So now sports team now bombarding Atanasi. It's your movie somewhere. Ekosi said Sambre, the second leg, I'm going to be my live from Abuja. You know, Kasa idea. Commentary position, a writer, the commentator. Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Nana Koreajaman. Sports crew, I tight pa. You're from Nana Kwame Mpere. You bet me from the finest and men in our catch you in me. And I say we are blessed because we trust in the Lord and have the Lord our hope and confidence. We are like a tree planted along the river bank with our root deep into the waters. We fear no heat. Our leaves are always green. And we are not even anxious in the year of drought. And will never stop producing fruit. Can you shout amen? Okoman Akwaaba. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba. On la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba. On la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
And this is a song from us to you. His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Hwehwanyum we mami asem papa bi awati oye. Na me fama no eye awoda shonko. You are entering a stage where everything works in your favor. That secret. You are entering a stage where everything works in your favor. 13 on of 3 is the time, 29th day in the month of March 2022. Like I said earlier on, this is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Yet another refreshing Tuesday afternoon. I was here in Ghana, you know. ene anibere aba Awurade ne me hwefo hwiri hiam me nipa dodo wa hin ebetimi akasa asem wei Awurade ene me hwefo hwi ehiam me Abusia minim baabi awo ena minim baabi awobutu minim adia sambre wode wonsa kosoma sambre eye agiagu nsam minim adia sambre wakopeja sambre emu odurusin wankasa wahoden minim adia sambre wode waadwenja entimi nsipi ensimi ntita minim adia sambre wasawo ba boshe no wontimi manim bam na tie mi awiabre adie bia wode wo pebeye a asafu ye wo wano nka wo no wo ya no kwa Bible says say usidan na Awurade nse nimu a adansifo ni sidan no kwa bibi biara wo ye bia asamre Awurade enka wo no I am sorry just trust and obey for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus but just to trust and obey. You are entering a stage where everything works in your favor. Wura eye samre empempensuo bia ade bia wode wo sabeka bia na zedi nkunimdie ade bia wode wo sabeka bia zedi yedie ade bia wode wo sabeka bia se edi mpuntuo ene nkoso bere wabrabo. And that is the state I'm talking about today. No matter how hard things started, no matter how hard things were, irrespective of how people disrespected you, anase oyaw bia sambre afofra mana be hye wakoma mo sa wodi wani to Awurade aso ebo modi asufra no eka wasem ka wo haw kire no Awurade tie wo mpa ibo sambre. So you are entering a stage where everything works in your favor. And people may doubt it. People may ask questions about it. Baby say, "Hey, why? Ban saying, or yen saying, hey, asamazina samre no waka bebrebe yo. Asamazina samre ye ko ni e kan yan kan ne kan. Asamazina samre we kro ye why? Bare yadum. E adum binti. Ena me no me no yeda so ti ase. Baby awo bia. Would we are not buying one? Don't you hear me? You are entering a state where everything works in your favor. Wura baby a sambre bibi biara would do sabeka bia ebe yenshira edi amount. Wura baby a sambre anamo bia wubetu bia no ebe yenshira edi amount wabrabo. Esane se abra samre wo kwa ahoyehia musufre Awurade je wo so na wamane pe eye ho se ne yese agidifo nyina nyeme so amen.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abraham Maneka say, Mommy's joint back of it. A man for a full Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion. Okoman from my bank and you can you cry? What's say, baby? You don't have grow cry, no poor you are not true. There's no be until when it's size what.
Facebook Live Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1. At Twitter at Okoman 971. Instagram at Okoman 971. Abishian, this is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, it is a blissful day as well. Happy birthday going out to His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, and to you, Mrs. Josephine Ako Daddy, wife of Mr. Judako Daddy of Okoman Etesei. Say bibi aboko there. Yeah. All right. So time checking the studio is exactly 21 after 3. This is how I start my day.
Okoman Radio 97.1. No fair, no connect, no way.
A.K.A De Phynest, Parliament Sports. Okoman Radio. Me wireless today. No pro. Yo, and the phone. Okoman. It is someone with your comment now. So yeah, dear, what is them? Damase.
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
And I will buy more good. That's how your dream has go move.
A.K.A De Phynest, Parliament Sports. Okoman Radio. Me wireless today. No pro. Yo, and the phone. Okoman. It is someone with your comment now. Yeah, dear, what is them? Damase.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon for frère mi yaro. Unti Okoman Radio da edasi.
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
What's about it, man? No peace about it, nana. Guys, I ain't dogga. That's what I got with so mama. So when him so bad to be winning, and yet he moves a gaza. That's a water.
Okoman Radio.
Yamagoni Munyadi now, Biantina, when he is. And your mommy, I want him to crack at Tony Piano. And it's how when you're galebi. And now what you brand to be. Na young boy be, and a young girl be a meseno. And no son who wants some kind of imba in the cassette.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
So young girl be a sino, young boy be a kuto. So young girl be a sino, young boy be a gano. Hey, I'm going to so what's your say? Aye.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Ya som pipe Okoman Radio. Okoman my any Ghana for you na.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio. You are the best, number one. Our paramount thing. So change count for Kenshia Moa and Kevin. Ruta, we are fantastic and Kasa.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
You're gonna turn me up a little bit.
Miaja kase Okoman asokwa tumori ejije ne to bar to bu afa pa give your money where they take for baby I go there for yo you must my mind cause tonight is the night I've been waiting for baby tell me what you waiting for
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère mi yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da edas.
Ayame Adelaide Obuo. Me wo Parliament Sports. Me Okoman Radio. Me wale sute de bia no po yo and the phone and Okoman it is remo amuti Okoman na so bia ti o ho e body sempa da wase
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, like I said earlier on, I wish you make house somebody exactly 4 p.m. to the Ama Sports team, you know. It's on the side, Ghana, you know, 5 p.m. Yeah. Ghana versus Nigeria. The return leg, Basopa, Abuja, and Yezo. And then Tia and Sabri, Ubamadia, Copiamo, Nigeria. Yes, yeah, you my phone, you know, point them. Nana mi bisa se Ghana so Yes. It's on. And nothing about that. Nigeria folk di gari ba ye bottom ba kokura still ye be show. Ye be show e one go pe. What dey hard here? Now me no 2F for our answer ye be call Nigeria bomadi an ko hwe ne ekosi. Abusi ati happy entertainment light and sound system for set me momodi an. Encounter asem de sampa ube pm you like papa restaurant. And you see am craba tell happy entertainment light and sound system for say. Eniane no ana ensano ne upe bia won sabeka. Abusi we undertake the following about wedding reception, flow sales and our parties are outdoor. FAK. So we pay a sound system na renting, light system, canopy in Congo, stage. But my answer winning happy entertainment light and sound system for bedins house. What man feel capim? What baby ever flow for digits you know? I'm sure from 0275 042594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. I say Bomadia, let you bang on. A canopy in Congo 70. Demu before Mami chia eja Kwame Taylor weekend we ampa umami fili boss Yami shira pa Ejuma ne ni awuye bia Nyankopon ento nkwa dem na bomodin ebo afoforo sese ni agusu aye no Yami nyo kese pate eda sibebre na St. Peter's College in Penny for se minchia Meka St. Peter's College asemi wo late grapem admission egusu kosho wa wo kocho SSC ya ufeli ana wasi akonya kese pa da omo afemu amopesa moko SHS1 SHS2, SHS3. Munyina akonya da ho ede mamo. Kaisa more boarding facilities. Ede man and ma. Adequate supply of good drinking water. Well-equipped computer laboratory. Experienced staff. A large playing field. Fees in a very moderate pa. Na courses so mu ye general art, business and vocational. Ningina a course was St. Peter's College. Ebushan Semre and Momadian coaching baby. Enter First World War, enter Second World War, enter Third World War, enter Fourth World War, never Abemobu. Yanyano once and for all. Can't get this St. Peter's College, F. Forces, and Yanko reference. I'm sure for Reverend Father Joseph A.K.A, or the proprietor of St. Peter's College. It's what would you watch SSCB and our CB no fairly, but Modi answer beba. Na Yabuau, Amu trap now Susukupon, you want me Akobi. Proprietor, I was 0243 640362. On your friend Reverend Father Joseph A.K.A. Afe ubetimi friend Mr. M. Asari. I was 0243 657741. And I'm Mr. Joseph Fadu. I was 0277 720820. And I'm 0243 827438. St. Peter's College. I will take up him. I say, Bomadia Benwon. He's on the well, last chance. You choke. Yeah, you choke. You choke you. Nani he choki Nigeria for no more. Ose Ghana. Ose Black Stars. Ose Ghana. Oh my God. Now, Japan construction and general merchant in 24/7 chiao. Now, make out just say Bakari blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Some blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. I'm shining in our twin to me. So, person so die or harass and I sent 10 temon. Maybe a some rubber corner materials are available. I ain't know say a china and net a china there be corner brebi him. Nina ye a Japan construction and general merchant na make come for the amount. I will share about binding wires in shoe, iron rods, and you are Samiri. Yes, supply or Kim, Kotokuomo headpan, Nina, a Japan construction and general merchant crowd with the amount. Minoka say, I will show our live band and so Jumedia Bia would be a Wujiramupa. What would do a capim, Wabem baby, a star oil, filling station, and Chemupa. A Japan construction and general merchant from 0244 719814 0244 719814. A Japan construction and general merchant or so Modia. I'm a Westwood Dino or Harrison. Okoman Radio 97.1 Radio. FF process any and Yakuto reference. Send you paying any kind of as Robertica, Nesro Kotokro. Obi nso mfisoro betwa kotokoro wo fam da biara da abusia woni me dia won sai de esa ne say yetie yehwe ene ye kasa ma okapementi samire ye refresh se ne anya koto reference say dwumadie bia wodi bia ne dwumadie bia samire won sakutamu a wo dan na ho se samire be so abapa bia dia ma wo no wabuhia emere na ani it is schools companies and sorry monso amopa eye yen kaibo afi corporate institutions hotels Momo Madia Samo Befre Okoman Radio was 0265 200222 and 0266 200222 Okoman Radio I say Bomadia Chubaye na ye don't call me crabba don't call me oh don't call me I was your human ketwani akasie akonya akasie da homa mopa muchubaye na ye Momadia anymore indi juma na munyuma no entibi ntrɛw na nya kɛse te sɛ sɛ ne yɛte warigaze $35 after 3 Akwaaba Drive which yours truly Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Who bet me from the finest and remember you not catch you in a man DJ Donzi hits me
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I want to see you shaky for that. Yeah. Sing for you like Uremi. Give you loving Bokobi. Oh baby. Neo Paname yo. Wakuma suadio. Enu Paname po mi di enti ode. Neo Paname yo. When we feel back yo. Yeah. All day I no go play with your love. Oh darling. You give me joy. Nobody did like you, my love. You give me joy. I go kill you with enjoyment. Hey, I go kill you with enjoyment.
We are blazing.
Murder is a murder. If you touch my baby, then it's a murder. Yeah, murder, I will murder. If you touch my baby, then it's a murder. Neo Paname, Wakuma suadio. I don't wanna me po me di enti ode. Neo Paname, when we feel back yo. Yeah, all day I no go play with your love. Oh darling, you give me joy.
Okoman Radio.
Nobody did like you, my lover. You give me joy.
Okoman Radio.
Kill you with enjoyment. Hey, I go kill you with enjoyment.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
That be the taste of grace. I see me so below na men no more better than any ace of spades.
Na Sabre Equiapum Fiti Ebri Ekoka Aya Aprede Aprede Enko Somanya Na mi mobadi and Chiama more jabbing Koforia Fogina to say Suhum Asamanka say
Everybody give glory. Yes, you when I'm your mini nanny. Parawami, see your baby.
Mi Chechia Munina Na Enkoma Wohonio. On the 16th, something big is about to happen on the mountains. Messidier, on the 16th, something sweet, something nice, something tantalizing, something gogomicious is about to happen on the mountains.
Give glory. Yes, you when I'm your mini nanny. Parawami, see your baby. It's the other penny. I give you praise, oh God. You deserve all the glory,
You know I used to put the blame on God.
Now, Sunny Medical Culture Sampa. On the 16th, something big is about to happen. Something sweet. What do you find? Instrumental, yeah, mommy. Okay. Famami. Give it to me. Take it slow. Give it to me. Take it slow. Missy on the 16th. Something big is about to happen. Hey, Regionals Hotel. Elwood Dukrom. And your favorite high life artist. Your friend Kwame Mpere A.K.A Ofori Amponza. Ebro on the 16th. Na Easter on the rage. One say do Easter na krofo bebere tutu akoy. Ebi kokwo. Ebi koha. Ekwapema say Easter ni yedini jeje mu bi. Yen sheda nye serious about the Easter. But this time around, we also have the mountains. 81st time. Another maiden edition of Easter on the Mountains at Akwaaba. Nano Basu Original Hotel. So tell a friend to tell that special person. Say, okay. I'm gonna be gonna. Hammy, for mommy. Take it slow. Easy. Once again, happy birthday going out to you. OPD. Hey, Miniana Bibi Abakodia. Who are multimedia. And now I would ask Kopa OPD. Now me mama the happy birthday. Josephine Ako Daddy Mrs. Esankao. It is your birthday. And happy birthday going out to you, more win wifey. From Mr. Judako Daddy, going out to you from the entire family as well. After me, Mama Diama, the first gentleman of the States. And the Ghana Jirakono, and the day near special day, Pao. And the Yana E-Levy, Menyan and Tiasa, ya passing Anissa, say ya passing po. No matter so the about a year, 1.something%. 11 year. Echirokuma Kasafuane Bomba Bomwad Suko. What is here? And that's why your man penny birthday. And the yarn yes, you in Nigeria for Kwakoshia. Na see qualify you. See qualify you, but oh say Ghana. Whatever be the case, here qualify once and for all. Yeah, show more kabako ya. Okay. Achade. Can't have me. For mommy. Achade. Sege. Go ya. Sege. Mommy too still go ya. Okay. From the top to the down. Give it to me. Take it slow. Wind it up. Okay. Yes, party on the radio. Where a pre-party pa. At the Map Ghana Blaster. Basani Abushana Midukusu America Chow Sampa. Easter on the Ridge. Hey, Okoman Radio in collaboration with Richness Hotel. Ojadem bra. Enye easy. So tell a friend to tell a friend Sampa. Afi yen too quiet. Nemo yebe di Easter ne pepe we kuyapem. Ninyina no. Action nijina Richness Hotel. Ewo edukom ekwapem. Artist on bill. Kwame Fori enti aba ne sa ne tie nwum we Nana Kwame Fori A.K.A Oforian Ponza, and this is the song. Famami. Come for any new way I made a pan. I will go to come for this old draw on water, my baby. Oh, dog God. Hey, once again, going out to the entire staff of Okoman 97.1 Easter on the Ridge. Happening live inside here. Richness Hotel, I do come make happen. Can have fun. Tell that special person that this Easter is going to be a blast. You're from Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Waiting me from the finest. I remember you know catch you in 44 after 3. And just post 2 minutes will take over. But right about time here. Kayo, okay. Mami mo for Riampo Sanyo me and Sebi. It's on the 16th of April. Easter yi ebe de papa Kwame for you show them perform me wa ha kese sada. Eti akwapifo nyina. Ye nyina ye momode ya prepare. Mo amu be she kume. Mo amu be she jina so ahwepo. Mo amu be she hold my leg and touch my legs. Mo amu be so hold my legs and touch my thighs. Nina. Yeah, they call Richness Hotel. A hot on a party Cassiano Easter way on the 16th. Make the date. Party as here. Just mark the date and save the date. Try as here. On the 16th, me say regional sibe huru putu. Come for famomo, sir.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio da edas.
Ayame Adelaide Dubuo, me wo Parliament Sports. Me Okoman Radio ntenim. Me wa lese de bia no po evio and the phone Okoman.
Your friend me group
na so bia di o ba ko de sem pack damase.
Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
We taking the music higher, you know.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Yes, what was Kwame Mpere A.K.A. That is about a big event coming up on the 16th of April. Our originals with Easter on the Ridge, baby. Oh, me Jimmy when you want you. And you go me, baby. That's a move. Oh, that's a move. Oh, that's a movie. One say Kwame for your sex into Kwame Dimpa or tell you the Tonyo. I'm a boy, I'm Yanni Abigail. It didn't come in a special name. It's a new to four baby, Kwame Yusuba. Oh, the Banchi above me. Oh, the abangum. What the woman should you midi? On the 16th, cha. Messiah Izo. Catch you up in Obisu, catch you me. Sir, Oforian Ponsa ever live. Inside Regionals Hotel at Ducom. It's all about Easter on the Ridge. So tell that special person, say ebe pizzo, ebe chill off. Oforian Ponsa live in concert. Our Originals Hotel. I do come make up him. I was young on me. Ebe chill sad yevi amine. And I then you can go for free. Now Bushia Kaiser and Ghana match, you know. Maybe I'm a prediction 1-0 against Nigeria. Whatever be the case, in 1-0. Believe it or not, it is happening live and colored. But once again, Mamina and Kassam Debi Chiro, Mama Tiamia, Bessie Sambre, Medamase. Ain't it Sambre make house as some debut as some Papa Martin is you. Kwame Akwaaba, Nana Kwame Mpere said, "We have been able to I say, oh, we are not, and Ghana march, you know, ain't it? Maybe 4 o'clock here. Mona Moba, me Hesania, Chase. Ghana for any pray Ubia Wojidi say Ghana this time around a bay, you know. I believe it will get what things are getting better. Things are getting better. I don't know first one say oh, say team no more mom you but my me Zamba, Omujina Brani.
So you my culture that ni send no can ni basic chair.
Say be sure more.
See a set white yentu ya adwum. Yes white yes yentu ya.
Yes ni amami ni she ni bi.
No na yes yes.
Ni just no.
Yellow no.
Na yenye no so ahye.
Yeah, no, when you two by one, you go, you know, you better not say the pre-match discussion.
Eddie Abba. Time in 5 p.m. right? 5
p.m. na kick off. You be mamura no kakra ni Diana. Just bibi aka super to na.
Onya mani me jina he ya.
So mi ni me bi oko.
Odi America, mi ni to Odi America.
Onya bi adi. What wetremo.
Now I am Easter on the Ridge. Jumedi Basso, Easter on the Ridge, Jumedi Basso.
Yes.
Our Regionals Hotel. Now, we're sending Kwame Ofori Amponsa. Ojiremwa.
Aya na Pastor Alewa.
Bonsa, you mama, Alewa. Anime, that's you.
Also, I'm massive. Also, manti. And I'm saying,
that day, about maybe Sano.
Oh, me uncle maybe Sano. Aisha Modios and one. I didn't know when to my warano. So on in the show, I didn't tell when to my warano. Now, we'll be out and I shall be on our warrior. Be on show, Mr. I could have over the Akajan of Bazeba. I don't know, yeah, one no so sad. I heard about a new co. I say, we will never talk. And I Akwaaba console on papa is mine. Now, Branter no name was any at Sabu, and begging him and Master winning alpha. And for Tissimo, I am Master. And we'll cut now way about, if it was our crab bread into none of your num. And I was so easy. And I papa say, Quasi. At the end of your season, I said, that's only what you may, and also, because we are serious. Me and me, see one, come at the dam, and I want to meet me, Passia. Oh, but actually, my boss has seen you and you, my man. Oh, yes, I'm from to a yes, I pass you. 11 no. Me sorry, me yi musica nyina.
Say na me near yi ka ho asem.
Me sorry pem ko yi musica.
Ogoyi.
Oh, na den.
Enya hwema no wo so. Na na ba hi amoa.
That's ya pass. Na say na ya pass Ghana fo bi adwana and there is a win answer am dey say.
Oh, baba.
E ja ko me. And how you should even tell us your passy.
Oh, say,
what do you be womb?
There be a zero.
And 0. I say,
I'm fine. If you bet 2 money and no money,
then I can 0.0, 0.50 is 50%. Said the one who got 1.5 no moon and don't mammy.
Oh, Miss Amma, me Marine Police. I was here.
Oh, there's the house and I call guess how?
Why?
As busy.
I don't see. And so now you're cocoa.
So I can't know. I
cocoa.
Yeah, I said you go. I know. So I said you have it. There was any part for the house.
Baby, I have shared radio as I didn't share. And I good baby, and a man of bodies or something here. Well, I was thinking, you know, the best that was my people say me who baby of today, but yeah, in Kuwa, the surrounding the seminar. I was your friend that I call me fair. Over to your friend with the finest, and men you catch you anyway. And I call me upon sign sports team need take you over. Yeah, now listen about possible lineup now.
Possible lineup guy my Ghana dear confirm dear my but near Ghana for sure him saying yeah as usual Jojo Walcott better post
okay.
Now Enya Brante Dennis Odoye right back. Now left back Gideon Mensah central defense and Alexander Jiku Daniel Amate. And fin Baba Idrisu Thomas Partey na and you know Abranta and the Kudus Muhammad Abba na fin so no yeah sure a possible lineup and as a lineup here the ball the first game no e be 1 or 2 changes been e be Fatawu Ishaku media to me alternative Joseph Pence Oba e be bo na fin na Jana fin so Jordan Ayew and so bit me aboa Nigeria menyin ni some message on lineup
no Ghana nyum bi mame na Ghana be bo wa the blaster nyum fan to mame
o dey atum
na we fe ndi asa na alata fo Ukraine anje alata fo ye wo fi he
one video training na yako ni na yere so go say na Ghana fo na alata fo ne bo alata o Ghana Nigeria alata fo sali e from alata but stadium is so far out of 60,000 you know 40,000 euro
agro
you know yes 5 p.m. 40,000 you know after 3 o'clock no
agro
I know idea
Japan here construction and general merchant chiamo Abusha mama yenje eyen krato imra ye bapa sports team no ebe take you over me do bibia ro tie me be do sambre ase mama na me production team Victor Hineda Kulisto me da wase Samson DJ does the DJ ZGB NFA asera kese e nkoma oze Oh, Mammy Chano, Mrs. Richard Lemon Perry. By the time them you sure so I be doing sir.
Hello, coin.
Oko baby.
Coin.
Ain't your co baby.
You'll be about to cook baby, sir.
Oko baby.
I know
about a year. A try that Wednesday. There be over Thursday.
Oh, I know my
Debbie.
Oh, thank you for your motivation.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Oh, thank you for motivation. Ghana boy, motivation.
Oh, new hope.
That's all.
Oh,
I'm and I said, no, come do. And I did
Menem Colaro.
Now I'm quite no many now.
That Omoya member.
Now, what did you and I saw along with him.
Oh, Debbie, see
what we
Debbie me 12 abo.
And not so long, now 6 to 12 days a shot.
What
could he? I know they are your poor.
I've
the boy also, yeah, short.
Me buy Kwame Mpere A.K.A to go to Okoman Akwaaba.
Yeah, short 6 to 12 no. About 50 you are no cremo.
I tell you. Media so him say me kra na me ntiapo nti we hwa na me sheko na.
Doctor says so did answer na.
David me did program no me.
And who did answer na no madro.
David me did Africans am good.
Ref na so share one no wa David me ada we ti wo ya.
Ari akwa binyana meburu.
Achawajo, Uncle Yeti Miamo, Nima Midibesibitana, no market chama me say.
Cratchy, Ada, we your whole would A.K.A. Want the a Japaya construction and general merchant in Ghana. A Bakari block 5 inches and another 6 inches. A Basan block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Tie, so whoop a boar Edia Sidine, so whoop Anya Edia Sidine, so whoop ensure Edia call side, another binding wires. About building materials, want to meet a Japaya construction and general merchant. Want that? It's an say, Omo, and a more discount. I will Adibia Ubetobia or Mashe, cement to Cradia and Coho, water cement, new, and answer me and Sakura, Yadebako, free delivery. Ubetimia Fair at Japaya, I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Eba iron loss, Abuo, Woope, and Mia, our rhino mu, and not tipemu, Ebakari, now Woope, our track mu, and answer tipemu, Nina, ya supply in Abbey, Open Stone, our Kiamu, Nina, Yadebro, at Japaya, I would go a grapim, Wabendel filling station, Ubetimia from, I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Kayo, Sawo ya party engagement a year, and answer the Libya Uya live band, a Japaya sound or live band now, Omube who no, I will feel it, a Japaya live band na, Ubatini day year, Abushia, Ubetimia Fre, I was 0244 719814. A Japaya Anna,
Adansi 4, the contractor for Adam 4.
Money, oh, hey, money, oh. A grand shiny paneshe.
Eradi asomdwe nka mu nyinaa. Onuadofo a wotie me, onipa asetene mu nsɛm ɛdɔɔso, ebi yɛ nije na ebi ɛyɛ awerɛho. Nea ɛyɛ nije no yɛ kae de, nanso ne nkae ne yɛ kakra bi, na nea ɛyɛ awerɛho no ɛne yɛ ntena kyɛ na ɛtɔ da bi a ɛdi enya ɛma nneɛma yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ no mpo ne yɛntumi nyɛ. Ne saa yɛ mu no ɛna Okoman Radio 97.1 ɛde dwumadi a yɛato din ɛne da so bere ɛde rebrɛw fi Joda kosi fida anɔpa biara fi nonum ɛkosi mmra nonum abɔ apao sima aduonum yɛn a yɛbɛdi saa dwumadi mu kyia me ɛne me ɔsɔfo John Kwachi me ne me nua ɔsɔfo Nathaniel Kingsley NT mɛsrɛ sɛ yɛaso ne tie saa dwumadi Onyankopɔn nam so ɛbɛma wɔyɛ nkonimdifo Onyankopɔn nhyira wo amen.
Honey, and ready my basa power. Just a word and I can answer pet baby. Who friends and your dream for just MC Cransum Bassa, Bino Catcher, Mama my basa, me unium.
Middle Kawakuma to yem, meaning happy entertainment, light and sound system. New live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are Hodwa. Omutimishi Shedumedi Shokumane Yakono, a bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Dosopo.
just say one and then be very and imagine no
warning about stage crowd ya wobema stage shunku enwani happy entertainment light and sound system you like pub and restaurant so why a crowd say enuane papa and nsa papa whatever ho e the amount wo man fie kwapem omo ben everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012 happy entertainment light and sound system and you like pub and restaurant omo be ma wedding no ayekiko pesa ne anokoma atani e was
oh I want my many aje
happy people
Ya som pipe Okoman Radio Okwapemai any Ghana phone na yetie
Ghana Limited. The headline sponsor for Ghana Black Stars. Tapa Diamond goes
Okoman Radio, your station.
Up here again, this is Asamoah. This is Montari, and it's in! It's there!